from the company Atoechie is a street light. It has 192 LEDs. And I'm going to unpack it and show you what you get inside and what it's about. It has a remote control, runs the unit 25, 50, 75, and 100%, and a 30 to 100% sensor motion detection or off to on motion sensor. We're going to show you how to hook it up, how to set it up, what it's about. The kit comes with two AAA batteries. To test the unit out, simply hit the on button, and then you can turn off the light. You have 12 lighting, 240 degree of light angle, with the solar panel, a light, and a battery, an all-in-one light. You have the angled pole to hang up. It simply attaches to the main base with the Phillips screw to lock in the pole, align and lock up, and screw down. With the anchors and hardware hang up. Simply find a spot that is sun, collect all day, charges the 18650 built-in battery for hours or end of use. No electricity is required because of the solar panel. We're going to show you the 8 to 15 foot hanging and how many square feet it lights up. As the light hits, it charges the unit with the blinking red light. Find a location on the wall or pole where you like to hang up, by the shed, by the boatyard, and more. Find a spot and lock down. Allow it to charge for a full day or two, and then come back and turn the unit on. The unit lights up and you're ready to go. What you can do is turn the unit on via the remote control and shows it lights. We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what the light is about. Street lights all set up, ready to go. And we have 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. We're going to set it up to sensor number 1. It stays in the off position. When you move and senses motion, it'll trigger on. And it shut off after so many seconds. And then you have the next sensor, sensor number 2. And when you walk underneath the street light and you get near, it'll light up to 100% and then trigger off. These street lights are great when you want to set up in a camping spot, by a driveway, anywhere imaginable. The street light can be automatically turned on like so, the auto mode, and select the mode. The street light's IP rated for those snow, rain, dry weather. Collect the sun all day, shine all night, dusk to dawn. Enjoy your street light. Thank you for viewing.